This product is a mandibular advancement device. This opens up the airway, helping to reduce snoring while you sleep. Before you start molding, please prepare these items. For heating and cooling, you'll need a container for hot water, a bowl of cold water. You will also need a few small helper tools, tongs, a timer, and a mirror. The storage case that came with your set can be used directly to heat the tray. And if you don't have a mirror, no problem. You can just use your smartphone's front-facing camera instead. This product works by gently moving your lower jaw forward to help open your airway and improve breathing during sleep. Lock together securely and will not separate easily. Adjusting the advancement level is simple. The forward lock position gives you less advancement. The back lock position gives you more advancement. To confirm your setting, just align the arrow on the upper tray with the number on the lower tray. For your first use, please start with the smallest advancement setting, 0 to 2, and also ensure the trays are locked securely together for added safety. To let you find the most comfortable and effective position, it offers 5 total advancement levels. These 5 levels are grouped into 3 types. Type A, 0mm and 2mm, Type B, 3mm and 5mm, Type C, 6mm. Key point 2. If Type B is already working for you, we do not recommend jumping to Type C. The advancement to Type C is much larger and may cause significant discomfort. Key point 3. When you first start, always begin with Type A at the 0 setting, then adjust gradually based on the results. Next, please brush your teeth to make sure they are clean. Any food particles can interfere with the molding process. Then, heat your water to just boiling. Lock the upper and lower trays together. Then, holding them with tongs, place them into the hot water and soak for about 2 minutes. If the tray floats, use a spoon to gently hold it down. After 2 minutes, use the tongs to lift the tray out. Gently shake off the excess hot water and let it cool for 3 to 5 seconds before using. If you're using the storage case, first remove the draining basket. Then use your tongs or the fitting tool to take the tray out. Step 1. Confirm the tray's position. Step 2. Align the center line. Step 3. Bite and mold. Once in position, bite down evenly for about 1 minute, letting your teeth sink into the bottom of the tray. At the same time, seal your lips and suck in strongly to make the tray fit much more closely to your teeth. Then, place it in cold water or rinse it under cold running water. After cooling, lock the upper and lower trays back together and try it on. If it feels secure, your molding was successful. If it feels loose or uncomfortable, you will need to reheat and mold it again. Your kit includes 2 spare components, one upper and one lower. First, separate the upper and lower trays. Remove the component that failed to mold. If it's too tight, you can use scissors to carefully cut it out. Next, align the positioning post on the new component with the slots on the tray. Press gently but firmly to make sure it's secure. The upper component has a notch, the lower component does not. Please don't mix them up. Gently brush for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse completely with lukewarm water. After you remove the device in the morning, your jaw might temporarily feel like it's still in a forward position. Apply a warm compress for 10 minutes to any sore area on your mouth to help relax the muscles. Then use your index and middle fingers to make small, gentle circles, massaging the area for 3 to 5 minutes.